In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change app recommendation settings in Windows 11. This quick tweak controls where your PC allows apps to be installed from and how Windows advises you when you try to install software. Whether you want maximum flexibility or a more locked-down, secure setup, you'll find the right balance here. First, open the Settings app. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together. That brings up the main settings window. On the left side, select Apps. This is where Windows groups everything related to installing, managing, and default behaviors for applications. On the right, click Advanced App Settings. This section includes controls that influence how Windows treats app sources. Near the top, look for the drop-down labeled Choose Where to Get Apps. This is the key control. When you open it, you'll see several choices, each designed for a different comfort level and use case. Choosing Anywhere removes recommendations and warnings entirely. Pick this if you regularly install apps from trusted websites or use specialized tools that aren't in the Microsoft Store, and you're confident about verifying downloads yourself. It offers the most freedom, but it also places more responsibility on you to ensure software is safe. The default option allows apps from anywhere, but lets you know if there's a comparable app in the Microsoft Store. This is a nice middle ground. You still get to install what you want, while Windows suggests store alternatives that are vetted and often easier to keep updated. If you want a bit more caution, choose the option that allows apps from anywhere, but warns you before installing an app that isn't from the Microsoft Store. With this setting, you can still proceed with outside installers, but you'll see a clear heads up first. It's helpful if you share your PC or you're trying to build safer habits. Finally, selecting Microsoft Store only restricts installations to apps from the Microsoft Store. Windows recommends this for the strongest protection against unverified software. It's ideal for family computers, school or work devices, or anyone who prefers a curated, low-risk environment. After you pick the option that matches your needs, you're done. There's no restart required. If you later change your mind, just return to the same place and switch to a different option. Keep in mind that some installers might still prompt you for permission, and that's normal. That's all it takes to tailor app recommendations in Windows 11. Choose the level of flexibility and safety that feels right for you, and enjoy a smoother, more controlled app experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.